the name of Allah, I am Mohammad Ashraf Bhatt, teacher, Government High School, Shanu. I am going to give an English lecture for class 4th. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You know that we have completed the reading of a poem, An Evening Prayer, written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. And we have do it as 4 questions. Today we are going to do it as grammar work. I will read it on page number 52. Read out the following words. What part of speech is the underlined word? Write in the space provided. One is done for you. I will show you the book, and you can also see your books in your home. Number A, bad limbs, lay me noun. Yeah, limbs is underlined. Limb word is underlined, and the book is giving us that the limbs grammatically and as a part of speech it is noun. Now the following words are given on the book. B part: prayer, preserve, grant, say, and this grant is underlined. As per the part of speech, we are going to say, or we are asked, what is a grant? Grant is verb, and I have written here. I will write here on this board. Grant is verb. Grant is verb. Number C, halath, God, mother, dear. Halath. What is halath? As per grammar, halath is abstract noun. ABS, abas, TRACT, abstract, NOUN, noun. Abstract noun. No, number D, both thoughts. Both thoughts evil, employ. Evil is underlined, and evil is again abstract noun. ABS, abas, TRACT, abstract, NOUN, abstract noun. Again, I have written here this abstract noun. Love, always, best joy. Love is abstract noun. It can be used as noun or it can be used as verb. But as per the part of speech is concerned, it is abstract noun. ABS, abas, TRACT, tract, and noun, abstract noun. No, innocent, eternal, hot, day. Innocent. Innocent is adjective. Innocent. Adjective. It is an innocent boy. Adjective. Hope, grateful. Here, doing. Grateful. Grateful is also verb. Grateful. Verb. Now I will do more words. Part number H. Part number H. I will rub here these sentences. Now H. H. Part number H. Hope, to, my, and awake. H. To, my, to, may. Sorry, my, not my, may. To, may, and awake. And is underlined, and awake. We have been asked what is and. It is conjunction. Grammatically, it is conjunction. Conjunction. No. I part. Parental, from, to, due. Parental, from, to is underlined, due. We have been asked what is to. Grammatically, to is preposition. 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 That's what it is. Preposition. No I for J. Apply. There is a turn of J part. J part. J. Beauty, beautiful. Beautiful, beautifully, beautifully, and beautify. Beautifully is underlined and beautify. Beautify. What is beautifully? As per grammatically, beautifully is adverb. 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 Ends with with ly, and we have memorized that the words usually ends with ly are adverbs. To oh wo after K part. To and to is underlined. Oh wo after. We have been asked what is to. To is preposition. To is grammatically to is preposition. Preposition. No, it is impart. Oh, in, a, lash. In is underlined. We have been asked what is in grammatically, as the parts of speech is concerned. In is in. In is preposition. Preposition. In. In can be used as article too. In, but grammatically it is preposition. In. On, under. Oh, over. We have been asked what is oh grammatically. Oh. Oh is interjection. Oh. Interjection. Interjection. And now, oh part, carefully, careful, caring. We have been asked in the book what is careful. As per grammatically, what is careful? And I have already told you in part, perhaps in part K, beautifully adverb. So same is the case with this. Carefully, it is adverb. Adverb. No, we have been asked in question number 2. Pick out the rhyming words in the poem. One is done for you. Also coin some of your own words. For example, here is given a word. In question number 2, we have been asked to mention here or to write here the rhyming words. Here is given the word other, and the rhyming word is given here mother. No, we have been asked to write more rhyming words. I will here make some rhyming words. Say, or dear year, dear year. I can write so many words. To do, to due, due, to do. Employ joy, employ, employ joy, joy. Rhyming word of employ is joy. Both sloth, both sloth, sloth. Sloth is one kaili, sloth, kail asun. Other mother, mother. Ithe put impart heart, impart rhyming word, urban heart, impart heart. Yavanos may day. Ithe kan last back rhyming word may, aki day. Ithe kan kya sabdo as inshallah आज यह exercise तो सुबह पको im ब्रोट निम exercise ब्रोट इंशाल्लाह बेकिस लेसनस पे im ब्रोह बह मकला यह बह सब्द तह निश रखसत यथ मज लिखे read aloud बह पर you sieve believe face lays grace यम words read aloud you sieve believe face lays grace reverence innocence presence इत कन सब्दो अस lesson आज इंशाल्लाह सुबह पको बेस lessons पे goodbye खुदा हाफिज।